old Edward. He lived in a shed with 5 other engines. All of them were bigger than Edward, and most of them boasted about it. "The driver won't choose old Edward again," said Gordon. A. Gordon. "Indeed, he wants big, strong engines, like us," said Alfred. "He's so slow, he won't be able to keep up with even a fucking bus," said 98462. "Indeed. At the time he reaches the end of the line, the buses will have already made 2 trips. Only one of them wasn't so cocky. It was the red engine. He was the one who was sent to help push Henry out of the tunnel. You lot really should shut the fuck up, mates. Edward's done more for the railway than you will ever do." The rest of them never listened, except for Gordon, eventually. Most of the engines were sent away. Okay, we get it now. It's the 80th anniversary. I'm doing the what's it called? The Edward's Day Out. I'm not going to repeat the whole story because it's going to take too long. It'll take too long to make and record the whole episode on my own around this time. All I'm just going to say is, happy anniversary to the Railway series. And here is to 80 years more. Goodbye.